so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a double unboxing of the Chanel boy bag as well as the Coco Crush ring that I bought while on holiday in Hawaii. I'll also be talking about my experience at the Waikiki boutique as well as what people mean when they talk about special Hawaii pricing. If you are new here, my name is Lauren and I typically create videos around designer handbags, fashion, and sometimes travel. So if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe as well as follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, let's get on to the unboxings. All right, so I'm going to start off with the boy bag, and disclaimer, I did already unbox this and just wrapped it back up in a feeble attempt to recreate the experience with you all. And so yes, the ribbon is not perfectly tied and the camellia is like, I don't know, in a weird place maybe. But anyways, I also had to travel with this box in my suitcase on my flight home, and so it got a little squished. So yeah, ignore all that. All right, so I'm gonna start off by peeling off the camellia, and then the nice Chanel ribbons, which by the way, if you can, and this is why I traveled with all of this stuff in my suitcase, keep the boxes, like keep your original packaging, because it does help with the resale value. So like keep your receipts, keep everything pretty much. All right, so we have some tissue paper here. And there was initially more tissue paper, like stuffing the box, because as you can see, the boy bag is too small for this box, but I had to throw it away because I needed to use the space to fit socks and things. So here's the actual bag. And I'm going to throw that on the floor. And here is the boy. So this is the medium boy bag in black caviar leather with ruthenium hardware. I was informed by the SA at the boutique that they are no longer going by old medium and new medium. From my understanding, they discontinued the large/jumbo size. And so now the old medium is medium and the new medium is a large. So hopefully less confusing. And if I'm wrong, do correct me, because that was just my understanding of it. Anyway, so as for my like actual experience at the Waikiki boutique, it was excellent. All the essays were very welcoming. They answered all my questions, did not rush me, let me try on like, I don't want to say like a bunch of different bags before, you know, I mean, I knew I was going to buy this one, but I did want to try some like other bags while I was there. And actually I got super lucky with this bag, because when I first got there, the SA I was working with informed me that they actually just sold out of all the bags, like classic bags, 2 days prior, except for this one like classic jumbo. And another SA actually overheard our conversation and saw how like sad I was, because I was like, I literally like waited to come to Hawaii to like buy this bag so I could save money on tax. And so he actually informed us that he was holding this bag in the back for his own client, but his client had changed their mind, and so he like happily gave this bag to me. And so yeah, like I highly suggest stopping by the Chanel boutique in Waikiki if you find yourself in Oahu, because it was an excellent experience, honestly. All right, so I did want to pop back in here and mention that the new Chanel bags, I think starting this year, no longer come with an authentication card. They actually have, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but they actually come with a little, do you see that little silver chip thing right there? They come with an authentication microchip, which I guess for now, like for the time being, that's pretty secure, but I think it's great because then you don't have to worry about losing your authentication card. I know a lot of people who are very stressed about that, because that does affect your resale value as well. And so yeah, just wanted to pop back in and say that real quick. So now let's unbox the Coco Crush ring. My boyfriend actually purchased this for me while we were at the boutique, and this piece did have special Hawaii pricing, which I'll go into more detail about later. But as you can see, also comes with the camellia. And here are the buttons. I did not previously unbox this, so yes, it was wrapped by somebody at Chanel, and that is why it looks so much nicer. Anyways, this is the box. Here's the inside. It comes with the certificate of authenticity. And here's the ring. Let's see if I can get this off. It's like really in there. Okay. Yeah. This is the Coco Crush ring. So this is the mini Coco Crush ring in 18 karat yellow gold. And as I mentioned before, this did come at special Hawaii pricing. So it was $100 cheaper than on the mainland. If you look on the retail website, it says $1,300, but in Hawaii, it retails for $1,200. And so when it comes to Chanel specifically, only their fine jewelry comes with special Hawaii pricing. You'll have to ask the SA what the specific prices are, but I believe it's like 10% difference. Wait, that doesn't make sense if it was $1,300 to $1,200. Clearly I'm not good at math, but anyways. You'll find that this varies like from designer to designer. So for example, Dior, I believe, has discounts on handbags, wallets, and SLGs. There might be more. I'm not entirely sure. I didn't shop at Dior personally when I was in Hawaii. And then for Hermes, they don't have any special Hawaii pricing, so you're just, it's the regular price. But I do want to mention that when it comes to Hawaii, their tax is only 4.71%. And so if you come from a state that has a high sales tax like I do, so I live in New York and our sales tax is like 8.75%, I believe right now. Just the difference in tax alone makes a significant like savings. So I would take that into account. That's why, even though I knew that the price of the boy bag wasn't any different from the mainland, I did still wait to come to Hawaii to buy it because I still saved like 4% on tax. And at the price of a boy bag, that's pretty substantial. But yeah, so if you do plan on shopping in Hawaii, like luxury shopping, what I would recommend is know what you want, do your research beforehand on what the prices are on the mainland. You can probably find that online somewhere. And then just go to the boutiques and ask the SAs what the price is for whatever it is you're buying. And that way you'll know for sure if you are getting it at a discount. Because I do believe the designers have changed their policies, I believe this year or last year. And so, for example, I think Gucci's discount used to be bigger, now it's smaller. I've even heard rumors about Louis Vuitton having higher prices in Hawaii. Cannot confirm that. But yeah, like that's what I would recommend when it comes to shopping luxury goods in Hawaii. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in a comment below. I do plan on doing a full review of the boy bag once I've spent some time with it. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know exactly when that video goes live. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please ignore the honking. I do live in New York City. A lot of angry people. And yeah, I will see you again next time.